Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we'll see is like earlier we have seen the difference and difference update, and in the same way like we have seen the intersection and intersection update. So in this tutorial what we'll see is like symmetric difference. So what exactly the symmetric difference is? Let's say I have two sets. One set has items Google, Microsoft and Apple, and another set has items Facebook, Tesla and Apple. Let me just run this. So now I ran. Now if I run this symmetric difference, what it will do exactly is, what it is doing exactly here is, if you see, this apple is common in the both the elements, I mean both the sets. So here what it is doing is, it will return the elements which are not common in both the sets. Let's assign this to jet. Okay, now if I find print the jet, so this is how this symmetric difference works exactly. So you can just using this symmetric difference, it will just skip all the common elements between two sets, and it will write the different whatever the elements which are not common. So similarly here also we have an option called, let's say here we have assigned this to jet, right? So instead of this, let me just copy this, and let's say you wanted to update the x. It is similar to our difference update and intersection update. So here also you can write that. So here what we'll do is, we'll just update the x with all the symmetric difference. Now if I try to print x, now you can see like x got updated with, earlier x doesn't have the values of Facebook and Google, now x has the values of Facebook and Google. So this is how the symmetric difference and symmetric difference update works exactly. So this is all guys, thanks for watching my video. Let's catch up in the next video.